Today, Claude Fable 5 is making Geometry Dash from nothing. The model disappeared for a while after US export controls, but now it is back, and people are saying it is one of the strongest coding AIs ever released. So today, I'm giving it a real test. Can it actually build a playable Geometry Dash clone? Alright, so we got Claude Fable 5 right here, and first I'm putting it on Ultra Code. I made the prompt super specific because I don't want it making some basic cube game, and calling it Geometry Dash. So here's the prompt. I basically told it to make Geometry Dash from complete zero. I asked for the cube, the level, the obstacles, and the physics, then effects, sound, and everything else. Now let's see if Fable 5 actually cooks, or if this is about to be tragic. Now Fable 5 starts thinking, and I'm just going to let it do whatever it wants here. I'm not fixing anything manually, I'm not changing the prompt, I'm just waiting to see what it decides to build. After I sent it, Fable 5 started building the whole project, so I sped this part up because it took a while. While it was building, Claude hit a couple server limit errors, so I had to tell it to continue twice. Then I let it keep going for a little longer. But before it could really finish everything, I hit the session usage limit. So this is not the full version I wanted, but it did leave me with something playable. Here I'm just checking what it managed to do before stopping. It made the files, ran the project, and got the preview working. Now let's see what Fable 5 actually managed to make before it got cut off. Okay, so here's the game, and yeah, first thing I notice, this is definitely not a full Geometry Dash clone. There's no menu, no level select, no character customization. It pretty much just drops me into one level and says good luck. Alright, let's actually play it. Okay, the cube movement works, the jumping works, and the obstacles are actually there. And yeah, the hitboxes work too, because I instantly got cooked. It is playable, but it feels way more like a simple Geometry Dash level than the actual full game. But visually, I'm not gonna lie, this is not that impressive. Especially for Fable 5, I expected way more polish. The background has these weird cube and rectangle shapes everywhere, and it just does not really feel like the actual Geometry Dash style. And gameplay-wise, it is missing a lot. There is no ship mode, no ball mode, no UFO, no wave, no robot, no spider, no swing copter, and no duel mode. So yes, the basic cube jumping part works, but Geometry Dash is way more than just a cube jumping over spikes. Now to be fair, maybe my prompt could have been better, and maybe it would have improved a lot if the session limit did not hit so early. But for normal people using the subscription, these limits are part of the experience. Not everyone has unlimited API credits or some crazy expensive setup. So if Fable 5 runs out before it finishes one proper game, then for projects like this, I don't know if it is really worth it. After messing around with it for a bit, I finally got a clean run. Alright, this is the full level from start to finish. Also, if you want to see me test more AI models with the same prompt, subscribe to the channel. This is the first Build Waffle video, so if you're early, you're actually early. And comment which model I should test next because I kinda want to see if ChatGPT or Gemini can do better than this. Okay, so I actually beat it. It works, I'll give it that. But beating one short level also makes it obvious how much is missing. Next, I might try the same prompt with ChatGPT or Gemini and see if they can beat this. But for now, Fable 5 gets a 5 out of 10. I'll see you in the next one.